how to add Twitch chat to OBS. So first, go to Streamlabs, this one, and then you can just open up your account, and then you can see the chat box here. So just click on this one. Now here you just need to click to copy widget URL, then click on copy. Now here let's just go to OBS. Now here click on this plus icon here under sources, click on browser, then just name your browser. So I'll just name this Twitch chat. Okay, now click OK. Now here let's just minimize this so you can see what I'm doing. Here, let's just paste the URL that we copied earlier. So let's just paste it. Then make sure that you don't show this to anyone, okay? So just click OK. Now here, you can start seeing the Twitch chat here. Now every time someone chats on your Twitch chat or on your stream, you will see their chats there, okay? So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.